Welcome back everyone to a familiar place, that place being the Bavarian Inn Lodge. First things right here. The scaffolding that was up a couple weeks ago is now officially blue. And second, I'm over here now. Place I was just over by the tower entrance. But unlike last time, they now have glass up on that portion of the side. Then there's scaffolding over this way too. So I'm guessing they're gonna be painting all these walls with scaffolding next. Also looking up there, they've gotten like over halfway done with the roof panels. I like the progress. Then they've also put like wrapping on all those slide exits. That's gotta be for like a paint job or something. I honestly chose bad timing to film this video because the big country fest is happening in that pavilion over there, the Harvey Kern Pavilion. And like all the parking spots here are all filled up for a while. Back there too, back behind the Bavarian Inn and this gravel lot and at the Bavarian Inn. All right, let's put that behind me and talk about these slides. So they got a few more slide pieces up, especially at the family raft ride and that racing slide, that blue racing slide. And it looks like they've installed some sort of machine up there, like right where I'm pointing right there. That's gotta be a machine that carries the tubes up from the bottom. I would guess that the green slide right there and the purple slide are both going to be at that like second to top level. And the top level is going to have the green and blue racing slide and the family raft ride. And then, let's see here. I think those are going to be the only two levels. And then the splashdown areas for those slides are going to be right below. So one thing that I haven't done yet is compare this to what Splash Village has. So I'm going to go over the Splash Village and I'm going to compare all this here to what's already at Splash Village. Alright y'all, I made it to Splash Village. So Splash Village has 5 slides here. Of course, these two right here are racing slides. They're not like up against each other racing slides, but they start right up there. And they each twist and turn in the outside, and they both splash down at the same area. These slides, I remember as a kid, are super duper fun. So I'll get to the back eventually, but on the other side of the water park, they have a 4-person family raft ride, a drop slide, and a fast lazy river. And I remember when that area was under construction. Times change, don't they? So I went inside and the front desk told me I couldn't film in there without a permit from them. So I'm just gonna show you all the stuff from the outside here. So in there, in this general area, they have a kiddie area with a small water slide. I think you can see it, it's right there I'm pointing. Yeah, they have those 2 slides, then the kiddie slide, then over here, you have something similar to the Bavarian Inn, which is the new area, also known as the Atrium Park, before they turned all that into glass too. And up there, they have a 4-person family raft ride and a drop slide. Alright, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And as always, sub for more content.